Hi, I'm Liv, and this is my husband Rolf, and we had Wise Design and remodel our kitchen.
We had a fantastic experience working with Wise Design. Phil was really attentive.
We really definitely love the flow.
Yeah.
We had to move some kind of wall structure around and opened up into the dining room, which was totally closed off before. And it's been awesome because it brings in a lot of natural light.
We have 2 children. We have a daughter who's 8 and a son who's 4. We have a new dog who's 6 months old, or yeah, maybe 6 months old. And so a lot going on in this house. And a cat, yeah. We can't forget the cat. He's about 12. We have a lot going on in terms of cooking, in terms of playing, in terms of activity in the house. And one thing we know for sure is that the new kitchen is a lot easier to clean and a lot easier to run through. It's a lot easier to use for the amount of cooking that we do and the amount of entertaining that we do.